Please stand by. An important message will follow. This is a special message interrupting the normal broadcast.
The Kanawha County Sheriff's Office has issued a missing juvenile notice on August 24, 2026 for Chloe Shylin Foster, who was last seen on Saturday, August 22, 2026 at 6:30 p.m. on Carver Street in Institute, Kanawha County, West Virginia. Foster is described as 5 feet 11 inches tall, 105 pounds, with long black braided hair and multiple tattoos, including names on her left arm, a name in red ink on her neck, and a faded rose on her right arm. She was last known to also have a silver pearl ring and hoop earrings. No clothing description is available at this time. She may be traveling toward Columbus, Ohio in a white Jeep Wrangler Rubicon, possibly in the company of another teenager. Persons with information are requested to contact the Kanawha County Sheriff's Office at 304-357-0556, 304-357-0169, or online at www.kanawhasheriff.us.